Here we are, Manasota Key. Hey Kev, what's going on? Oh, he's so fancy. So we're here on Manasota Key in South Sarasota County, Florida. And this is really cool because you can skate all down the key. There's very little traffic, or at least right now there is, which is cool. It's hot. It's hot. And as you can see, there's no like bike lane or sidewalk, so you do have to be conscious of the traffic.
Yes, cars
but cars are coming behind, and they are supposed to, you know, respect and share with the cyclists, and in this case, the skaters. So we're skating toward the Blind Pass beach access. This is really cool. Manasota Key is about 8 miles long. At the north end of Manasota Key is the Manasota Key Beach, which is a big public beach with all the facilities, bathrooms, and water and everything, of course. And then we're going toward Blind Pass, which is the next beach down. It's about 3.5 miles from the Manasota Key beach access. Now here's the Blind Pass Beach Park. There's a number of beach accesses. There's an iguana walking by if you see it. There's a tortoise. Oh, these people are looking at a gopher tortoise over there. Cool. There's a lot of gopher tortoises around here and iguanas, cool, among other wildlife. So this is the Blind Pass Park, and that's where the parking is. There's bathrooms here, there's water. There's a lot less traffic than what we are accustomed to up on Anna Maria Island and Longboat Key and Siesta Key, a little further north of here. So this is a really different kind of skate for us. But yeah, we're gonna make some other videos perhaps a little further down the key as we go. But just wanted to share with you guys Manasota Key, our first experience skating it. And we'll see you later. Bye.